guys, just like I said earlier, I had to make a run, man. I have to get this job done first thing in the morning. Guys, it's the end of the month. And where I'm at the end of the month, everything drops. Every ticket must be closed. They want to book everything known to man. That's why I hate when the end of the month approaches, because we are now under extreme pressure. All right. Oh, no. They still got the sign open up here. Okay, it's 7:05, so it's likely they stay open until 8. Good. They give me an hour to find. All I need is something to transfer fluid. Some kind of small little pump that will allow me to suck fluid out of something into another item, such as a transmission. All right. So, I don't know if she coming. All right, so I'm gonna run in here and do that, man. I'm gonna take y'all. Y'all wanna go with me, man? Man, let's do it, man. I'm in my. Y'all see this, man? I just got laughed at. Let me show y'all something. I just got laughed at, guys, on the way home from work. I'm about to show you why. Now, I'm in my daughter's Journey. I remember the white Journey I bought had all the problems, but you know, problems don't scare me, right? So, I'm leaving the shop, right? You know, my daughter sells lashes, right? So this is her little advertising. Now the car is dirty, mind you. I'm in it, so it might be a little dirty while I'm in it. And I'm in it because the check engine light on. Gotta go figure out what's going on. But yeah, I'm driving out. Everybody see me riding out with a car, a little cute girly car with lashes on it. So they wants to chuckle at your boy as if they questioning my sexuality. Guys, this is marketing, okay? This is all about marketing, all right? I put this bug in my daughter's ear. Look, if you're gonna be the lash queen, you might as well go all out. Get some lashes even on your ride. Remember, she was in my blue PT Cruiser before this, so this is a major come up to somebody that's leaving out of a PT Cruiser. So she loved this car, guys. She even got her little, matter of fact, if any of you fellas out there know anybody that wear lashes, again, ignore the car. I'm gonna watch the car when I'm done working on it. If your lady friend, wife, girlfriend, female friend, significant other, any of it, if they wear lashes, which I'm sure just about everybody do, guys, that website at the bottom, log in to www.lashmejazzy.com. Okay, and purchase some lashes, man. Tell her JT sent you. Okay, that would help out the business quite a bit, guys. I really would appreciate it. But like I say, I got to get this. She's out of town right now, so I got to get this thing. Get this check engine light off, see what's going on with it, and do oil change on it, maintenance stuff. But yeah, they want to laugh at your boy. Lash Me Jazzy, guys. LashMeJazzy.com. That's her website. Her email address is on there. She's on all the social media as Lash Me Jazzy, Facebook, Instagram, all that stuff. All right, so now let's stick with the matter at hand. Let's go ahead and see if we can find a pump, some kind of suction pump. All right, so I can transfer some fluid. All right, y'all ready, man? Let's get it, man. Damn it. All right, guys, I left my mask. My buddy here is gonna hook me up. Thanks, buddy. Hey, something else you can help me on. I'm trying to suck some out of something and put into something else. Some kind of smaller thing that'll suck out fluid and put in another container.
Like how much and what kind of volume are
Just
we talking?
a quart of transmission fluid. I need to come from the ground up into the transmission. So what did they make something like that will perform that task? Yeah, y'all getting into the toolbox business.
Well, you know what transmission fluid is, right?
Do I know what transmission fluid is?
Yeah.
Explain it to me.
Hydraulic oil.
Yes. Yes, this is what
So
I
you
need.
extract the hydraulic oil and then you pump it out and pump it back in.
You can't pump it back in with this? This is what I need, man.
Yeah, right. That's an extractor. You can pour it back in.
Well, yeah, okay, I need something to pump it in. This is a pump, though.
12-volt extractor pump.
Oh.
So it will pump it out of.
It will suck it out.
Right.
But there's no way to get it back in with this?
I mean, you reverse the pump, yeah.
Okay.
You reverse the ends of sides of
right.
it's going. Yeah.
Okay, that's what I need. I'm gonna look around. I'm gonna read some. All right, guys. So I'm back over here. This is one of the first options he brought me to. Now this is manual, so this is like the typical suction pumps we have at the shop. So in this case, I would have to suck it. I really need this oil extractor pump. So like I say, I can reverse it and it go the other way to come out of the bottle into. This is what I need. Hey guys, I'm gonna need it for more than just this, so it'll be nice to have one of my own. Okay, suck out of some instead of. I think I'm gonna break down. I got my credit card with me, guys. I need y'all help, guys. I need y'all to watch these videos. And if it ain't one thing, it's another. All right. And I'll let you know how this thing pan out. But I need this for tomorrow, like now, because that job is waiting on me. No, I'll pass on the little gas stealing device. And this, no thanks. So this is what we're gonna go with it, guys. All right. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Put in the comments what y'all think. For the reasoning. Now the machine that we used to use, I have a video of me using that machine on my my Chrysler 200 where I did a flush trans draining refill. I used that machine to put the fluid back in it. You need something that will electronically suck and push rather. All right, so this is personal. This is self-contained. This is what I'm getting. All right, guys, I'm winding down, just going down these last little few aisles. That's why I hate hanging in these places. So I wind up with 4 items. Of course, I'm going to get the pump, but I'm also going to get I don't have a blower for some reason. I don't know where my blower went. And these little cheap. I don't think these have to be super strong snap-on Macco. I don't think they have to. It's not that serious. Okay, it's just Allen heads. It's not going to be on there tight, and these are small and it should grab in there. Now I'm a big firm believer in quality tools, but I mean, how tight is small? I don't know. It depends on your beliefs, guys. But let me show y'all something. What I just seen, a new creation, guys. This may be why the reason they create or make things the way they make them, so they can create a market for a tool. Now, how have I been getting these out? This is called a fuel line clip disconnect tool. And on the back here, yeah, they show you an example. Y'all know the piece of connector that you have to like push in order to open and release the tab so you can remove the lines. So this may actually be a good tool, but it just amazes me how they create this stuff so you would need a tool. Here I am, just because I don't have one, I'm about to get one. Better make use of this, guys. I don't mind the tool, but I really like to know I made a good investment. Alright, guys, here you go. So when I get there in the morning, I should be able to knock that transmission drain and refill, guys. Keep in mind, it is simply a drain and refill on a 8-speed rear-wheel drive ZF version transmission. Weird thing about that, guys, the last one I did, well, I replaced the pan. I did a trans service. It didn't come with a drain plug, so go figure. But I'm done, guys. Stay tuned, man. I'll let y'all know how it go. I'll see y'all on the next video.